Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly, while others work twice as hard and still struggle to make the meeting ends? Could the secret to your financial future be hidden not in your bank account, but inside your own mind? Welcome to our summary of Harv Eker Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. Eker proposes a radical idea. We all have a financial blueprint, an internal setting that determines our level of success just as surely as a thermostat sets the temperature in a room. Today, we're breaking down the 3 core ideas that can help you reset your thermostat for a life of abundance. Idea 1. The roots create the fruits. Imagine you are looking at a tree. You see the fruits, your results in life, and you don't like them. Maybe there aren't enough, or they just don't taste right. Most people focus all their energy on those fruits, trying to change what they can see. But Eker explains that it's what is under the ground, the seeds and the roots, that actually creates what is above the ground. In the real world, your outer results are simply a reflection of your inner world. If you want to change the visible, you must first change the invisible. This means working on your character, your beliefs, and your habits. As Eker famously states, your income can grow only to the extent you do. Idea 2, your subconscious programming. So, how are those roots formed? Eker introduces a simple formula PTFA=R. It means your programming leads to your thoughts, which lead to your feelings, which lead to your actions, and finally, to your results. Most of us are running on automatic, ruled by conditioning we received as children from our parents, teachers, and even the media. We were taught how to think about money through what we heard, what we saw modeled, and specific emotional incidents we experienced. If you heard money is the root of all evil, or saw your parents constantly arguing about bills, your subconscious may actually be programmed to push wealth away to keep you safe or good. To change your results, you must first identify and unlearn these old files. Idea 3, adopting wealth files. The final shift is moving from a victim mentality to a millionaire mind. Eker identifies 17 wealth files, ways rich people think differently than those who are broke. For example, rich people believe, I create my life, while poor people believe, life happens to me. Instead of blaming the economy or their boss, successful people take full responsibility for their results. Another key difference, rich people play the money game to win, focusing on opportunities and growth, while others play the game simply not to lose, focusing on obstacles and security. By consciously choosing to adopt these new ways of thinking, you can begin to make the same choices that naturally lead to wealth. Eker's message is clear. You are the recorder, not just a recording. You have the power to rewrite your story starting today. Here is your challenge. Pick one Millionaire Mind habit and start this week. For instance, try his money management system. Open a financial freedom account and deposit just 10% of your income into it. Even if you start with only a few dollars, it's the habit of managing your money that tells the universe you are ready for more.